Hey guys, Joshua here. I'm here today with my Colman space heater, and it's just a tutorial video on how to use it because when I first got it, I had no clue. So to begin with, there's your start knob, and when you begin, you want to turn this thing all the way to start. But before you do that, I know there's instructions on the back here, but a bit older, so it's a bit harder to read them all. Anyways, you open this up. First thing you do is you take this, make sure your propane's full. Crank it open all the way. Set her back in. And when it's on, you turn that button I showed in the beginning all the way over. Hold it for a few seconds. Get your lighter. Boom. And then you hold it for about 45 seconds, it says, but there's also a little tab we'll show over here that turns fully red when it's ready to go, and the little device in there that needs to be warm opens up to allow the propane through. You see it licking the top here. It actually doesn't heat up the top that bad at all, so when it's running for a long time, you can grab that handle, no problem. On the label itself, it says it's good for indoor use and outdoor use. If you are using it indoor, because it's propane, you're going to want some kind of proper ventilation. Ooh, look at that sucker go. And I'll bring it closer once it's set to show you the little red bar here. But when it's ready to go, it's fully red, and then when it's off, it's silver colored. Holding, so the red indicating on is now full. And I like to hold it just for a few seconds after, just to make sure. And because it is older, it does take a few. As soon as I let off the trigger there, I couldn't hear the gas flow anymore, so I kept holding it down to make that little device on the inside pop open to allow that propane to go. I think I called the gas a few seconds ago. And I can hear it. And the flame's going to slowly die down now. But, see the red? That means it's on. And she's ready to go. You have your different settings. High is 5,000. Medium is 36. Or, yeah, 5,000, 3,600, and 2,500 for low. Yeah. So it's nice and hot. And the handle, you can easily pick that up. It's not even warm at all. The sides, cold. Yeah, that is a Colman space heater. The older model, still good. Hope you like the video.